Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisokha. Nazi indaba ze-Kaizer Chiefs neza ku-P_S_L. Soqala nje ngo-Ox Mthethwa ukuthi utheni njengoba bazodlala igame enkulu laphana eDurban, close to home for uMthethwa bafethu. Uthi-ke igame important kakhulu for bona because of bafuna ukuthola i-maximum points noma ngithi nje u-3 points. So bazokwazi ukurestore i-dignity ye-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Uthi-ke kusho nje igame important uthi bafuna ukungena laphana egiyeni noma ngithi ku-rhythm ukuthi the way abaqale ngakhona isizini and then uthi bafuna ukugena leya nto le abaqale ngayo isizini meyiqala overall, and then bafuna ukureplicate noma ukuqhubeka la bagcine khona laphana ku-CAF Confederations Cup i-performance yakhe yabo, and ukuthi bafuna ukubuilda from i-win against the-AS Simba laphana. Uthi ujabule kakhulu ukudlala wonke ama-game this season for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi lokho akubalulekanga kakhulu for yena but-ke it's about i-team as a whole. Uthi yes, i-Durban City ine-point behind bona but-ke akusho ukuthi they can beat us. Uthi okusho ukuthi if bayabashaya bazokwazi ukubajumpa laphana kulokho overall, but-ke uthi-ke abekho worried kakhulu, into nje abafocus kuyo bafuna ukufocusa kubo as i-Kaizer Chiefs nje kuphela, and then okunye bazokubona overall bafethu. Yeah, this is a big match for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean obviously ku-Betway Premiership sokunesikhathi bangawini, bafuna ukubonisa ama-fans, uku-regain trust kuma-fans ukuthi bangakwazi still ukuwina ama-games. And then khona into engifuna ukuyi-mention bafethu, uBradley Cross we-Kaizer Chiefs umlungu bafethu, ukhulume ngayo uTebogo Nxolane, umuntu wayedlala naye laphana ku-Golden Arrows. Uthi akekho surprise le skill esashayile uCross laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngesikhathi badlala neSimba, iskill besingasi-expect ukuthi umuntu odlala i-defend. Uthi guess what, le skill lezi that time adlala naye ku-Golden Arrows bezibona njalo, even nama-Spy 2 bekabashaya ngama-Spy 2 njalo ejimini. So uCross umuntu o-super skillful ngempela, okwaziyo ukubonisa i-pedigree yakhe in terms of i-versatility. Mina bengingacabangi ukuthi uCross u-super skillful kanje, but-ke manje so-confirm umuntu bedlala naye laphana ku-Golden Arrows, be-interviewer ubani u-Andile Ncube laphana, wa-confirm ukuthi lo muntu uyinkinga nasejimini, nongambona ejimini uzoba impressed kakhulu. Lokho okubona egamini kusasekuncane, khona okumore laphana bona bebakubona laphana ejimini overall bafowethu. I wanna also talk about ilokhunjana ubani i-legend la ku-South African football uChizi Mukwena ukhulume ngendaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs, uthi le ndaba yabo ukuthi babe nama-captains amaningi isizini iqeda ukuqala kanjena, i-worry ngempela. What is wrong nge-management or nge-technical team ukuthi ba-change o-captain? Imagine uthi-ke umention indaba yokuthi if uPeterson akekho available, what about lawa amanye ama-captains? Azophinda abuyisa uKwinika no-Inacio Miguel but still babathathele ibhande laphana. What is really happening ku-Kaizer Chiefs? Uquestiona leyo nto leyo. But at the end of the day bafethu, la asikhumbuleni ukuthi ama-co-coaches bewangaka-announce ukuthi azolida i-Kaizer Chiefs permanent, nawo bewangekho sure ukuthi azohlala. So bona mabangena bathatha i-authority but no, asichange-eni i-captain number one ukuthi izinto zichange. And sikhumbule bafethu ukuthi uPeterson bayamrespecta laphana ekhempini ye-Kaizer Chiefs abadlali abaningi, akusinje lesi ama-coach nje kuphela but bayamrespect ukuthi angakwazi ukulida i-Kaizer Chiefs to greater heights, which is a good thing because of you need umuntu abamrespectayo abantu, and then o-vocal okhuluma kakhulu. And then uChizi Boy umention indaba kaPeterson ukuthi uPeterson uyamazi laphana from ku-Cape Town Spurs, yes, ukuthi bekadlala naye, ukuthi uvocal usho ukuthi uyakwazi ukuba i-leader overall. But-ke i-question yakho uphinde wathi why uKwinika bangagcinanga laphana as i-captain, because uthi uKwinika waye-captain nalaphana ku-Steelers. Why bekumele baswitche? Because uKwinika uye o-more senior compared to Peterson. But-ke kwazibona abo-coach be-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi why bakwenzile lokhu, ukuthi ba-change i-leadership laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. A big game. Yazi benginganothisi ukuthi uMthetho udlale wonke ama-game we-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean this shows ukuthi uMthetho ubaluleke kangakanani ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, ukuthi adlale wonke ama-game this season, whether it's i-league, i-CAF, i-Carling laba abashaye khona, futhi unama-man of the match already this season, ozvezelayo usibonisayo ukuthi lo muntu highly influential for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I think at the moment is possibly the best player ku-Kaizer Chiefs laphana, u-Ox Mthethwa bafethu. Qhubeke njalo umfana performe kahle kakhulu. Game ye-Kaizer Chiefs against i-Durban City-ke amathikithi bafethu ayaphela ngempela. ayaphela amathikithi because hours ago bekuripotiwe kuthiwa sekuthengiswa amathikithi amaningi kakhulu, sekusele nje amathikithi amancane laphana. So if awakawathola amathikithi gijima because kuyobe kugcwele ngempela because amathikithi I think manje close to 50,000 amathikithi abawathengisile laphana, if not more by the time ngiphosta lento le. Okusho ama-fans aseDurban bafethu they really love i-Kaizer Chiefs. I-80 rand ithikithi laphana, imatch eqala ngo-7:30 but ama-fans they are out in big numbers. What a game it's gonna be. Sobona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukuhendlila kahle. I-pressure overall yokudlala laphana eThekwini, nama-fans are-pregnant. Mana present, iya-present, wangithi pregnant. A-present ama-fans laphana azobanika leyo push leyo. UKevin Hart ucoach waye-Cape Town, ilona mani iDurban City, bekhuluma ngayo ngalento lokuthi akumelanga baye i-Kaizer Chiefs bayinike lowo momentum because of izothola i-strength from ama-fans ukuthi ikwazi ukuphusha. Sikhumbule ukuthi izolo ngimenshina indaba yokuthi kunama-player amaningi a-recoverile from injuries. uLilepo, uThabiso Munyane, kunabafana laphana Mokoena, umfana omusha, but-ke akekho musha ku-Kaizer Chiefs, musha nje ku-first team because of ubuya ku-DDC team, naye bamselekthile overall. But yeah, what a game of football that we expecting bafethu ukuthi ayizophihlika laphana eThekwini for i-Kaizer Chiefs versus i-Durban City. Also lesimenshini-ke indaba ze-Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi what's happening. Mamelodi Sundowns dlala ne-Orlando Pirates, a big match-ke, so hlanganisa nje nalapho. Coach weMamelodi Sundowns uMiguel Cardoso ukhulumile ngokuthi uThemba Zwane akakabi available laphana overall. Uyasho ukuthi noma bembona laphana e-training but-ke utrainer separate from i-group overall laphana, akakangeni ukuthi utrainer ucontact namanye ama-teammate wakhe, okuchaza ukuthi uThemba Zwane akekho available for le match lenkulu against Orlando Pirates. Uthi-ke akekho ku-moment e-right ukuthi abuye laphana ku-training and aperforme. Uthi ukubuya kwakhe ku-training nama-performances, it means ukuthi uzoba ready for physical training and ukuthi a-recover laphana ku-condition yakhe. Uthi bayamdinga, bathi uthe kumele ku-understand ukuthi uThemba Zwane ube ne-injury enye futhi elandelele yameqeda nje ukubuya immediately. So abafuni ukuthi mebuya laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns nakubafana abhekane mhlambe nenye inkinga. Kumele babe patient overall laphana ngaye uThemba Zwane. What I can mention, yeah, ezinye bafethu zibuhlungu. Naw ama-reports aphumayo laphana ku-Chippa United. UBongani Semba bafethu lo osuke ku-Kaizer Chiefs, oreleaswe i-Kaizer Chiefs, beka-trainer ne-Chippa United for amaviki laphana ebheke ukuthi uzothola i-contract for i-Chippa United. But-ke ama-reports aphumayo ukuthi i-Chippa United beyingakathathi i-decision ukuthi izomsayina umfana or ngeke imsayine. But-ke bathi bona isikhathi mase si-right bazo-announcer, bathi even namanje usatrainer ne-Chippa United, akwaziwa, asikakazi ukuthi bazomsayina or kanjani. But bathi lo i-sporting director se-Chippa United, uMali, uthe bazokwenza i-announcement isikhathi mase sisi-right. Uthi yena akasuwucoach, ngeke akwazi ukukhomenta kuma-performances wama-player laphana ku-training. But-ke yeah, sobona ukuthi izinto nanokuthi bazo-announcer izinto kanjani laphana overall. Sikhumbule ukuthi igame ye-Orlando Pirates ne-Mamelodi Sundowns bafethu sold out. Amathikithi awasekho, uma unganalo ithikithi usenkingeni, but ungakwazi obvious ukulithenga ithikithi laphana e-stadium ukuthi ukwazi ukubukela one of the biggest games in South African football, the big one. Ezokwazi ukuwina le game le, maybe i-league izofavor yena for some time, but i-league unpredictable. But iMamelodi Sundowns yenza i-league yaba predictable ukuthi iwina almost wonke ama-league every year, 8 years in a row iwina laphana. Say obvious soku-change i-league yavele yaba league, I guess we can call it Farmers League, but it's not Farmers League in a way because akhona ama-teams angakhompyutha. But-ke iMamelodi Sundowns nama-financial muscles amakhulu and insayina ama-player, ama-top quality players from even ama-team amanye laphana ku-Betway Premiership. So it's difficult for ama-team ukuthi a-cash up, but Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs yibo kumele basuse iMamelodi Sundowns laphana ku-number 1 if bafuna ukuthi i-league ibe highly competitive, bakwazi ukuwina i-league. Bazoyiwina this year, next year, or ngithi this season asazi. But yeah, iMamelodi Sundowns they still decide to beat because yibo abalokhunjana bafethu abane-experience kakhulu yokuwina i-league, bayiwine kaningi kulandelana. I-situation kaSipho Mbuli laphana bafethu Orlando Pirates i-contract, indaba esiyitholayo ukuthi uSipho Mbuli usayine i-contract, i-1 year contract kuphela ku-Orlando Pirates because bebasamthesta, bangekho sure ngayo ukuthi bangabhilivela kuSipho Mbuli ukuthi angakwazi ukuleader i-team to greater heights. Beside ukuleader i-team to greater heights, ukuphatha kahle, overall. But kune-clause ethi medlale kahle Orlando Pirates ine-right yokumnika i-2-year contract laphana. So I think okwamanje so far so good. I mean uyakwazi uku-earna usi-enile ispace sakhe laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Sesiyambona nakuBafana umfana okushoyo ukuthi umuntu akalahlwa bafowethu, noma kuthiwa uyaphuzela but umuntu akalahlwa overall. You always have to try umnike umuntu ama-opportunities, kube wuye-ke ofeyilayo laphana menikiwe ama-opportunities overall. So just before ama-game bafowethu, iMamelodi Sundowns ihleli ku-number 1 nge-21 points, Orlando Pirates ihleli ku-number 3 nga-18 points, but ina-2 games in hand compared to Mamelodi Sundowns. Orlando Pirates kumele ishaye iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ihlale ku-21 points. Lapho-ke izoba ne-advantages kakhulu because of izoba nama-2 game in hand still, like moyiqhathanisa neMamelodi Sundowns. But khona i-team iSikhukhune United laphana ku-number 2 bana-20 points, bona i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-number 4 nga-16 points. Durban City abadlala ina-15 points, idlale 10 games. Amanye ama-team amaningi adlale 10 games, but-ke TS Galaxy, AmaZulu 9 games, Kaizer Chiefs 9 games, neSikhukhune United 9 games, then Orlando Pirates-ke kuzoba 8 games. What a day of football njengoba kudlala i-team enkulu bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs. We just have to watch i-game yanamhlanje overall. Okay, baningi abantu abakhomentile bathi iDobsonville kumele kube yiyo i-home ground ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Ayisebenzi kanjalo bafethu lento le. iDobsonville babayise lapha because of i-CAF, noma ngithi i-Soccer City bebayisebenzisa on the day, so i-Kaizer Chiefs ayikwazanga ukubhukha leso stadium leso. But-ke even nabantu insiders laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs bayakhomenta, bayakhuluma, bathi-ke they owe it to abalokhu nje i-spokesperson se-Kaizer Chiefs sithi bafowethu they owe it to abantu baseSoweto nabantu baseDobsonville ukuthi babuye laphana eDobsonville. Uthi-ke i-challenge ukuthi i-stadium sakhona sikho approved for i-CAF Confederations Cup kuma-group stages. So uthi-ke if besi-approved, obviously bebazobuyela laphana eDobsonville badlala ama-games amaningi khona, but-ke asikho approved i-stadium. Bathi bazobona, bazothola ama-opportunities, noma bazobheka laphana ukuthi bazokwazi ukubuya na eDobsonville because of uthi abantu bababonisile ngempela uthando laphana eDobsonville Stadium. So uthi any given time la babona khona i-gap laphana kuma-list of three home bases bazoregister lapha ngoba already sorry sebarejiste already ilokhunjana i-FNB, Moses Mabhida, Peter Mokaba ezama-home ground wabo, home stadiums, but-ke bathi-ke bazokwazi ukuya naseDobsonville given an opportunity to do so because bayitholile ngempela i-support from abantu baseDobsonville. Noma ngisithi abantu baseSoweto, but it's not just abantu baseSoweto kuphela bafethu, baningi abantu basuke from different parts of the world bazobukela i-Kaizer Chiefs because bebayifisela okuhle kuphela bafethu ukuthi ikwazi ukuthola ama-results, iwine iye laphana kuma-group stages. Mamelodi Sundowns idila nama-injuries bafethu multiple. I mean sikhuluma ngoMvala, uKhoza nayo ku-injury ngapha uzwana akakabi ready, and then uLeClerc ngimbone ejimini afake into laphana enyaweni, asazi ukuthi injury yakhe i-serious or kanjani, but-ke uLeClerc uLeClerc affected. I-coach yeMamelodi Sundowns ishilo ukuthi uMalibongwe Khoza akekho available at all bafethu. Bathi-ke njengoba siyibonile i-injury yakhe laphana against i-Remo Stars ku-away match laphana eNigeria. Bathi-ke akaphukanga amathambo, but-ke une-issue laphana ku-ankle yakhe overall. Bathi usase-injured umfana, ngeke akwazi ukuba available unfortunately ukuthi aperforme laphana against Orlando Pirates overall. Big loss obviously for Mamelodi Sundowns, they needed him umfana, but-ke I mean they have to try and move on and try to find ways ukuthi mhlampe bangadlala kanjani without lesi awukhoza laphana, because siyamazi ukuthi ukhoza ucontribute kangakanani laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, especially ku-defense. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.